As you know, I'm Mr. Legg, head teacher of Louis Taylor High School. Can you please... Jonathan, what are you... I'm dancing, sir. Oh, stop it. Does anyone know what a fossil is? Your nan. Good try, but no. What about you, Megan? Me? Yeah, you pretty. Fossil is something really old, like a dinosaur bone. What, like Sir's nan? Shh. So, page 3, you need to be on... Ah, there's a spider! Your biggest fear is spiders. Very funny, Jonathan. So, guys, can anyone tell me why volcanoes erupt? It's because they see you. What did you say? I said it's because of you, you stupid cow. Silence now! Around, around, around. Why can I still hear you, Jonathan? Because you have ears. Are you stupid?